Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my everyday natural makeup look. So it's basically a quick and easy tutorial. It's the makeup that I usually do. Now it's my winter makeup. I usually start my everyday makeup with the rose water spray from Majestic. Even though it's winter or it's a cloudy day, it's really important to use sunscreen or a moisturizer with an SPF. So I'm using this one, Garnier Skin Active Clearly Brighter Even Tone Daily Moisturizer with an SPF 30. I add 1 pump of this one to my daily moisturizer, and then feels so good. So after moisturizing my skin, I'm gonna use the Complexion Rescue from Bare Minerals in the shade Burke 1.5. I think this is how you say it, Burke. Oh no, I can't say Burke. I have a foundation, but for my everyday makeup, I usually use something lighter. You know, it's just whenever you go run errands or like shop or go outside just for in and out or, you know, work, it's just, I don't feel like putting like a ton of foundation or just a thick foundation, and I feel like it's not worth it. I use my foundation more for like an evening makeup if I go to the restaurant or go out, or for a photo shoot. So I use this one. I apply it with my finger because it's a natural makeup, you know? So it's just so, it looks like I have something on my face. Not like I have a bare face. It has a good coverage though. It's like, it's good. I really like this one. I always say that, I really like this one, but I really like this one. So it's a tinted hydrating, so extra hydrating for me because I just put some moisturizer and rosehip oil. It's a tinted hydrating gel cream and it has SPF 30, so it's fun. I have like even more SPF on my face. Yay, yay to young, youthful skin. Okay, if you don't want to age, guys, stay away from the sun and put some SPF on your face and put some sunscreen on your face, or like I said, a moisturizer or a tinted cream with SPF in it, and you're gonna stay young forever. I like to say that I'm forever 22. Oh no, they're terrible. So it's an everyday makeup. It's just, you know, why do I have to repeat myself? So it's, ew. I'm not gonna contour my face. I'm just gonna do like this. Just there, just to define my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of my favorite blush, my usual blush, NARS in Orgasm. Just a little bit. Oh no, I forgot something. NARS, my NARS concealer. Yeah, I always forget that. Again, I'm gonna apply it with my finger, just because it's a natural makeup. Always hydrate your lips. This is like my favorite. Josie Maran, the lip butter and vanilla, work it. My favorite. Just a little bit on my cheeks. And I'm gonna apply the nude sticks, nudies on my nose a little bit and here, just to create like a little highlighter. Which finger did I didn't use? Oh my god, this is a real problem. When you apply makeup with your fingers and then you have to touch again with a new product, you're just like, oh, which finger should I use? I'm gonna use nude sticks in the shade Taupe. So next I'm going to do my eyebrows with my Browsings from Benefit. This one I really like it because it gives like a really natural look to my eyebrows instead of being super bold. Just going to brush it a little bit to make it more natural. Next I'm gonna put my mascara. As usual, I'm gonna put the primer, the Benefit The Real Primer. I put it on the top of my lashes and the bottom of my lashes. Follow me. My mascara, also The Real from Benefit. It's like my usual too. I really, really love both of them. I used to change my mascara all the time, but I don't know, for like probably 2 years now, I've been stuck with this one. Really, really like it. They just make my lashes like, I feel like longer. And the final touch for my lips is Kylie Cosmetics in the lip pencil in Candy K. It's like my favorite natural lipstick. I'm not gonna use the matte lipstick with this one. I'm just gonna stick with the lip pencil. I don't know, like it's more like natural when you just apply the lipstick. So I'm gonna define. So first I define my lips and then I'm gonna fill my lips with the lip pencil. Follow me. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please let me know by liking the video and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. See you next time.